Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn about daily use electric items in our home. These electric items help us do our work easily and quickly. Let us see and learn about them one by one. Are you ready?
Yay! This is a desktop computer.
Yay! A desktop computer is an electronic device used for work and learning. It has parts like a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. We can type, draw, watch videos, and browse the internet on it.
This is a laptop.
Yay! A laptop is a portable computer used for work, study, and entertainment. It has a screen, keyboard, and battery all in one device. We can type, browse the internet, watch videos, and play games on it.
This is a tablet.
Yay! A tablet is a portable electronic device with a touch screen. It is used for learning, reading, watching videos, and playing games. Tablets are easy to carry and simple to use.
This is a mobile.
Yay! A mobile phone is an electronic device used to make calls and send messages. We can also use it to watch videos, play games, and browse the internet. Mobile phones help us stay connected with family and friends.
This is a printer.
Yay! A printer is an electronic device that prints text and pictures on paper. It is used at home, schools, and offices to make documents and images. Printers can print in black and white or color. They help us keep a physical copy of important information.
This is a smartwatch.
Yay! A smartwatch is a wearable electronic device worn on the wrist. It shows time and also tracks steps, heart rate, and health activities. Smartwatches can connect to mobile phones for calls and messages. They help us stay active, healthy, and connected.
This is a television.
Yay! A television is an electric item used at home for entertainment and learning. We watch cartoons, movies, and news on the television. It shows pictures and sound and is controlled using a remote control.
This is a refrigerator.
Yay! A refrigerator is an electrical appliance used to keep food and drinks cold. It helps preserve fruits, vegetables, milk, and other perishable items. Refrigerators are used at home, restaurants, and stores. They keep food fresh for a longer time and prevent spoilage.
This is a washing machine.
Yay! A washing machine is an electrical appliance used to wash clothes. It cleans clothes using water, soap, and spinning action. Washing machines save time and effort. They are used in homes and laundries to keep clothes clean.
This is an iron box.
Yay! An iron box is an electrical appliance used to remove wrinkles from clothes. It heats up and smoothens fabric for a neat appearance. Iron boxes are used at home, schools, and offices. They help keep clothes tidy, clean, and presentable. This is an oven. Yay! An oven is an electrical appliance used for baking and cooking food. It heats food evenly and quickly. Ovens are used at home and in restaurants. They help us prepare cakes, bread, and delicious meals easily. This is a kettle. Yay! A kettle is an electrical appliance used to boil water. It heats water quickly for tea, coffee, or cooking. Kettles are safe and easy to use at home or in offices. They help us get hot water anytime we need.
This is a projector.
Yay! A projector is an electronic device that displays images or videos on a large screen. It is used in classrooms, offices, and home theaters for presentations and movies. Projectors make it easy for many people to see content at the same time. They help in teaching, learning, and entertainment.
This is a camera.
Yay! A camera is an electronic device used to take pictures and videos. It helps us capture special moments and memories. Cameras are used in mobile phones and as separate devices. They are useful for learning, fun, and safety.
This is a sewing machine.
Yay! A sewing machine is an electrical or manual device used to stitch clothes. It helps join pieces of fabric quickly and neatly. Sewing machines are used at home and in tailoring shops. They make sewing easy and save time.
This is a ceiling fan.
Yay!
A ceiling fan is an electrical appliance fixed on the ceiling. It moves air and keeps the room cool. Ceiling fans are commonly used in homes and schools. They help us feel comfortable in hot weather.
This is a table fan.
Yay!
A table fan is an electrical appliance used to circulate air. It is placed on a table or desk. Table fans help keep us cool in hot weather. They are commonly used in homes, schools, and offices.
This is a hand mixer.
Yay!
A hand mixer is an electrical appliance used to mix or beat ingredients. It helps make batter, dough, and whipped cream quickly. Hand mixers are easy to use at home or in bakeries. They save time and effort while cooking or baking.
This is an electric shaver.
Yay!
A shaver is an electrical device used to trim or shave hair. It helps keep our face and body clean and neat. Shavers are safe and easy to use at home. They save time compared to using a traditional razor.
This is a headphone.
Yay!
A headphone is an electronic device that we wear on our ears. It helps us listen to music, videos, and calls clearly. Headphones are connected to phones, computers, or other devices. They allow private listening without disturbing others.
This is an AirPod.
Yay!
AirPods are wireless electronic earphones used to listen to sound. They connect to mobile phones and tablets using Bluetooth. AirPods help us enjoy music, calls, and videos clearly. They are easy to carry and comfortable to use.
This is a charger.
Yay!
A charger is an electrical device used to supply power to gadgets. It is used to charge mobile phones, tablets, and other devices. A charger connects the device to an electric source. It keeps our gadgets working properly.
This is a CCTV camera.
Yay!
CCTV is a camera system used to watch and record activities. It helps keep homes, schools, and shops safe. CCTV cameras work day and night. They help prevent theft and improve security.
This is a remote.
Yay!
A remote is an electronic device used to control appliances from a distance. It is commonly used with televisions, air conditioners, and set-top boxes. A remote helps change channels, adjust volume, and switch devices on or off. It makes using electronic devices easy and convenient.